In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickFunnels account. If you're new to ClickFunnels, it's a platform that helps you build marketing funnels and landing pages without needing to code, and the sign-up process is quick and beginner-friendly. Start by opening your desktop browser and heading to the official ClickFunnels sign-up page for a free trial. ClickFunnels often offers a 14-day free trial, so you can test the platform before paying. Make sure you're on the official page so you know you're getting the legitimate offer and the latest features. On the sign-up page, look for the button that says Start My Free Trial or Create My Free ClickFunnels Account. The wording may vary slightly, but it will be clearly labeled as the free trial option. Click that button to begin. You'll be taken to a sign-up form where you'll enter your basic information. Fill in the required fields for your full name and your email address. Use an email you can access easily, since it will be tied to your account and used for important notifications. Once you've entered your details, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be prompted to select your plan. You'll typically see options like Basic or Pro, and each plan includes different features and usage limits. Don't worry, plans usually start with a free trial period, so you can explore the tools before your build. Take a moment to read the feature summaries on the page, so you know which plan best matches your needs during the trial. After you submit the form, your ClickFunnels account will be created. You'll be able to log in right away and access your dashboard. The dashboard is your command center. From here, you can build funnels, add pages, and customize settings to match your brand and goals. You'll see clear sections for creating new funnels, managing existing ones, and adjusting account preferences. If you're just getting started, it helps to look around the interface to see where templates, pages, and settings live, so you know exactly where to go when you're ready to build. That's it. Once you've completed these steps, you're inside ClickFunnels and ready to explore. Use your trial time to experiment, preview your pages, and get comfortable with the workflow. When you're ready to move forward, you'll already have the foundation in place. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your first funnel.